It's big, bold, and beautiful, not to mention a San Francisco original. The Mission-style burrito, named for the neighborhood where it first originated, takes the standard burrito, a portable tortilla wrap traditionally filled with beans, meat, and cheese, and loads it with sour cream, guac, salsa until it's bursting at the seams. This overstuffed invention was born in the 1960s, with El Faro claiming the sale of the first SF burrito and Taqueria La Cumbre the idea for its assembly line production, something that's now on full display at taquerias throughout the district. Foil wrap holds everything together nicely and keeps the burrito warm while you eat. Pancho Villa Taqueria makes their burritos with rice or majado, meaning smothered in a savory sauce and topped with cheese. Senor Sisig uses pinto beans, cilantro cream sauce, lettuce, and adobo garlic rice for their own unique spin.